Safe disposal of medical waste still remains a major concern in the national capital. In Lodi Crematorium, Times Network found used PPE kits dumped carelessly outside in the parking lot along with other garbage. Lodi Crematorium is one of the 5 places in Delhi where COVID patients are being cremated. A colleague of mine filed a report about this. Take a look.
We are right now inside the crematorium of Lodi Garden in the national capital. Lodi Garden is one of the 5 crematoriums where COVID bodies are being burned, and the last rites of the COVID patients takes place at the Lodi crematorium. And as you can see, this is the horrible condition, the horrible scenes that you are seeing on your screens right now. These are the used PPE kits that have been thrown in the open inside the crematorium. This is the parking lot where families come in their vehicles, or for that matter where ambulances come that are filled with COVID bodies. And this is the horrific scenes inside the crematorium, inside Lodi Garden, where you can see there are PPE kits. There is a lot of garbage here. My video journalist Parvez is zooming in to show you how the condition is extremely bothering inside the crematorium. The used PPE kits have been thrown on the road in the parking lot, and this has been kept here for days. Remember, Lodi Garden is one of the places, is one of the 5 crematoriums where COVID patients are being brought, COVID dead bodies have been brought so that their last rites could be conducted. And as you can see, I will just go a little closer, and these are the used PPE kits all over inside the crematorium, which is supposed to be disposed of properly by the local officers here, by the local administration. But as you can see, we are surrounded by used PPE kits, which are obviously of the people or of the ambulance staff or doctors who come here with the COVID bodies from various hospitals. And this is an unfortunate scene you can see inside the crematorium, where there are used PPE kits and a lot of garbage inside. This is the most unhygienic visual that you can see inside a crematorium. It is not like this area has been designated for used PPE kits. Obviously, there is a proper way to dispose the infected PPE kits, but this is the harsh reality which you are witnessing inside the Lodi crematorium in the national capital.
Totalement nouveau. On n'en avait pas avant, c'était exceptionnel de trouver un gant ou un masque, j'en ai jamais trouvé en fait. C'est depuis la crise et depuis la sortie de la crise, depuis le déconfinement, depuis que les gens sont sortis, ont mis des masques, sont allés dans la rue, et en fait ils enlèvent les masques et les jettent par terre. Voilà, ça fait 1 mois à peu près qu'on commence, c'est que le début, à retrouver ces masques. C'est une nouvelle pollution en fait. Si les gens ne jetaient pas ces masques dans la rue, on ne les retrouverait pas en mer. Parce que 80% des déchets qu'on retrouve en mer viennent de la terre. Il faut bien voir ça. En fait, les déchets, quand il y a de la pluie, ils sont emportés par les eaux pluviales, par l'eau de pluie, et ils descendent par les rivières, par le réseau, enfin, par les ballons, tout ça, et ils arrivent en mer. Voilà. Le message, c'est évidemment jeter vos masques dans une poubelle. Déjà, c'est bon pour l'environnement, il ne faut pas les jeter par terre, sinon ça arrive en mer. Et aussi, c'est une question de protection pour les autres, de ne pas contaminer les autres. Si on contamine les autres, on finira aussi par se contaminer. C'est une question de bon sens.